What is up, everyone? This is Trigger signing in. Now we're once again at a nature trail. We have been here before. This Duder's World.
Hey, guys, look at that. It looks like a whole bunch of saliva.
Saliva, guys. Where else do you get massive amounts of saliva? Right here on Duder's World and Trig. Oh, that's disgusting. But okay, guys. Right here, we're gonna be walking in these woods right here, guys.
Woo!
These woods all the way back there. They're full of deer and frisbee golfers. So we gotta remember, we gotta be very respectful about the frisbee golfers. Frisbee golfers!
Well,
So we're gonna cut through where there's no shade. Today it's around 85, 90 degrees. So sweat a little bit. It's a little soggy. Okay, guys, we're gonna actually teleport. All right, much better.
Phew.
Looks like we can get in from here. But I also seen something last time when I was here. It was very, very cool.
Oh.
Oh, there. Here, get this one. Oh, check this out. Heck yeah. That's so cool. This is what they used to. Hang on. I gotta talk at Dude's World for a second. What's up? Look at this, guys. This is so cool. Way cool. Very nice. That's legit right here. That's so cool. Let's walk up this way, guys. Oh yeah. We're definitely off the grid here. This is not a trail, this is a stream. We're savages. Yeah, this is big time stream. This is not a trail. You good?
Yeah.
Let me hold that for you.
It's not recording.
Alright, we made it to the top. Almost. This is a real trail. Alright, we're back. Careful.
Yeah, but we're focusing on the wall.
Careful.
Sorry if I'm not paying
Careful.
attention. Hey guys.
Careful.
What?
Careful. Careful. Don't trip. Careful. Careful. Ooh, watch your stick, man. Dude, this world is selfie sticking. Later today, guys, picking up my buddy Joey, and he's gonna come with me on the investigation of the bridge. And then we're gonna bring him back home, and then go back to the bridge at night, and then go back to the tunnel at 3 a.m. It's gonna be exciting, guys. Exciting. Very, very full day of videos. See, this is what frisbee golfers use. I don't know if you guys don't know what it is. Frisbee golf. So last time I was here, I was coming down from that way, and there was a deer sitting right here. Frisbee golf.
Yeah.
Careful.
Going up to
I love nature, guys. I love being out here. I love being out here with you guys.
more. There's really a lot of. Hey guys.
Let's go this way.
I don't know how long the video
All right, we're back.
We're back home. Those berries up there.
Now make sure you're using your ears. So if you hear like something zipping through the leaves, most likely it's a frisbee. Don't get hit by one. Yeah, it looks like we had a frisbee golfer down there. Yep, see? Check it out. Frisbee golfer.
See that way down there, guys?
Yep, they're frisbeeing that way.
Guys, come on, walk with guys. Going down.
What?
Hey, stop.
Dude's World's making too many videos.
Yeah.
It's a learning process, but you gotta delete those old videos that are already up on YouTube.
I just used the tablet.
Yeah, I was about to say, if you're used to tablets, then you should be used to that. It's the same thing. I'm hoping to see a deer. I hope to see a deer. A deer over there. Duda's World is going to delete some of his videos that are already on YouTube. I'm going to take a look-see. It's over here. Is there any deer over here? Smash that like button, guys, for me being out here. It's pretty hot. Plus, honestly, you know, I'm just trying to fill the time up until it gets a little darker so I can get over to that haunted bridge. You know, I can't wait till 3 o'clock, guys. Behind the scenes. Behind the scenes. This is YouTuber life right here. This is what you guys don't see. The focus, the concentration. Look at those sweat bullets coming down because he's concentrating so hard. It's so intense. It's so intense. It's like, what the heck are you doing? You didn't delete the video you just did you?
No, I didn't. Focus is real, guys. Focus is real. You'll know. You'll know. If you get a channel, you'll know.
You'll know, guys. Alright, you gonna start it?
I'm gonna see where it's at. So I don't go too far away from the video.
It was right around here. Behind the scenes, guys, we're gonna watch Duda start his channel. Here it is, part 2. Go check it out, guys, on Duda's World.
Please. Hey guys, we're back with part 2. looks like there's a trail right there or another.
Let's teleport right on this. Right?
Okay.
There's a
I'll be right back, guys.
right
We're gonna
there.
teleport. What's up?
Right, 1, 2, 3. Oh! Oh, jeez. Gosh. Aim a little better. My goodness. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
Teleport.
What is this?
So check out the teleport.
Oh, the wind feels good though.
Oh. It's wiping away all of the sweats.
All of the sweats.
All the lazy bee sweats.
Alright guys. This actually looks like frisbee. No, they're going that way. Ooh, what's that? See that? Right there. Right there, guys. Right there. Going right through like bosses. We could go right there. But I told you we're going through.
I'm not going through. I don't want to get anywhere. Hi.
Hey,
How you doing?
being a boss.
Okay.
What's around the corner? This is the main trail that we started on, guys. We're just kind of we're adventurers, guys. So of course we're gonna go. You can go that way, and I can go this way. Oh, look at that! That's so cool. Chill. Oh yeah. Something grabbed onto your shirt. It's haunted here.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh no.
Oh no. Bunny.
Wait.
Let's get it, kill it, skin it, and make a fire and cook it and eat it like a real man. Just kidding. Ooh. Oh, that's cool. Check that out, guys. Look at the tree here. Oh, that's hot up there. Ooh wee, It's over here. Same thing? Yep. I was hoping it went down that way, but let's go back. Woo! It's a little high heat today, guys. I'm sure it's around 90 degrees.
We could go that way.
No, your shorts. Every weekend I tell you to grab pants. You never do. MOG? What's MOG?
MLG.
MLG? What's that?
This clean savage.
Okay. Well, while you're being over there being a savage while itching, I'm over here being a savage and not itching. That's right. That's right. We're gonna start heading back towards the car though. If we stick around this area too long, we'll have a way long video. Then we'll have a way long wait. And I want this video to be uploaded by the time I get to that haunted bridge. Do you know what I am saying?
Me?
Yeah, you.
I don't know.
What do you think? I got like 102 subscribers here? Wait. Anyways, guys, that's actually pretty interesting how well, actually, let's go back up this way. Let's go back through the shade. Yeah, 100, over 100, guys. Thank you so much. That's very much appreciated. I love the support and love and all the comments, and it's very, very exciting. Very, very exciting. Oh, that breeze feels good though. It looks pretty miserable, doesn't it, guys? It's really not that bad, guys. It's around 85, 90 degrees. Just hiking is what's getting it. Sorry if I'm not talking. I'm trying to be a little quiet in case there's a deer right on this corner. I don't think I'll see one. Why did I thought that there was going to be booze in there? And there is. Parkour.
Seriously going down that way?
No, where did the parkour? No, we're going down that way. There's that tree fort down there. That thing is so cool. Very impressed about that. Very impressive. He's learning. He's following in my footsteps. I think we had one of your birthday parties over here, Duda. Yeah. Yeah, right there on that picnic right there. Picnic table. I got kind of sick on that. You know what? Should we take him for a ride?
I think so.
Let's teleport. 1, 2, 3.
Woo!
Whoa.
We're on. We didn't
Now,
for it.
okay. I know what you're thinking. I'm 27 years old. What am I doing on this thing? I'll tell you what I'm doing on this thing. I'm having fun. Let's do this. Woo! Yeah, boy. Who else does this on YouTube? That's right. I'm going down the slide. Oh God, what am I doing? Woo! Ah! Ow. That did not work. Ugh. Woo! Woo! Yeah, boy! Woo! Why am I on it and the kid's not? Woo! Alright, guys, that's it. One last time.
Wait for me. Okay, go. Good enough, guys, like a boss.
Woo! Dude, this world's a boss!
Stand.
Alright, exit right there, okay? 3, 2, 1. Boss!
Oh, man. I have a fear.
He's gonna bust his booty. Got it! This right here is Thomas Park, guys. This park right here is pretty cool. Got yourself a, oh, what are those things called? A splash pad? I've got over here, we got a big old playground.
All the way to the big slide and do my intro there. Outro there. Like go down the side. You guys said someone do the room. You guys like get out.
It's a nice park. This big old place right here for family to come to a big old party. Okay, so we started walking onto the trail a little bit. I went up there before. Nothing, this looks creepy. This is an old abandoned bridge. This train used to.
Man, you're lucky.
That was no. It was gross. No, that train. There used to be a train bridge that went through Marion, but now it's just gone. There's a spot in Marion Square that there's a old train. The old train station's still there. It's pretty cool. Say goodbye.
There it is.
Oh, there it is. Right. Floating down. Alright, guys. This is Trigger signing out, guys. I'm going to give you a high five. if you like these nature trails, if you like what we do here, let me know in the comments below. And it's really, really hot because there's no sun, or I mean, there's no shade. Oop, hang on. Sorry, I was zoomed in, guys. But hey, if you guys like this, leave a comment down below. Let me know. And I'll see you in the next video, which is going to be an investigation of the haunted bridge. Me and Duda and possibly my brother are going to go check it out. Investigation first, and then we'll go check it out and see if it's actually haunted. So I'll see you guys later in the next video. Trigger out. Peace!